Today on Food Routes, we're making delicious rice balls with a fluffy, light, grainy interior and wonderfully crispy exterior. Heat olive oil in a large pan. Fry chopped onion until translucent, then add saffron. Add risotto rice and gently fry, stirring until translucent. Deglaze with white wine or apple juice, ensuring it tastes good. Add bay leaves, preferably fresh, and stir well. Simmer over low heat until liquid is almost completely absorbed. Gradually add vegetable stock, stirring constantly, and wait until rice absorbs liquid. Repeat this process for a total of 30 to 35 minutes until the rice is al dente and the risotto is nice and creamy. Stir in grated Parmesan cheese and let it cool. Grate potatoes finely. Squeeze out all the water and remove the bay leaf. In a large bowl, mix the risotto with fresh herbs, egg yolks, spices such as fenugreek and green pepper, and finely grated potatoes until a homogeneous mass is formed. Add olive oil to the pan. Shape the risotto balls evenly, turning regularly to ensure they are evenly crispy on all sides. Wow, they look delicious. Let's make a large portion right away. Serve the fried rice balls hot from around the world and enjoy. Remember, you can refine them with various specialties like dates from Tunisia, feta from Greece, cashew nuts from Brazil, or serrano ham from Spain to enhance the international flavor. Let your creativity run wild. Thank you for watching Food Roots. Take care and see you next time.